you were driving a black car. How did it become golden now?
Wow, now I'm rich too! I will show you a magic trick. I can turn anything into gold.
See? This is my magic.
Now we are so rich that no one can be richer than us.
Yes, babe.
Babe, I will make this house golden too.
Doctor, I was kissing Ballerina, and Ballerina Cappuccina turned completely golden. How can I bring her back to her original form?
Wait, don't panic.